Will Kymplika's concept of multiculturalism. Indian Constitution Article 29 and 30 giving more importance to the minority rights has the basis in Will Kymplika's theory of multiculturalism. அவர் என்ன சொல்றாருன்னா, there should be group differentiated rights. First of all, why it came into picture is after the post-war liberalism, he was majorly dissatisfied with the theory of rights that was existing. So the human rights could not give enough protection to the minorities, and still they were not able to resolve their issues. So he said the minority rights cannot be subsumed inside the human rights. For this, he has proposed. So, for example, we can see violent conflicts in the Eastern Europe. So, though there were rights, Universal Declaration of Human Rights came in 1948 or 49, but still there were issues in the Eastern Europe, in Myanmar, even in Manipur in India. So he is suggesting a liberal theory of multicultural rights. So adula he is giving group differentiated rights, that is specific groups should be given minority rights, and he is classifying them as self-government rights, polyethnic rights, and also special representation rights, specifically for national minorities, indigenous people. They are the indigenous people. So for example, national minorities, they have been a part of the nation. They were self-governing some areas, but later due to reorganization, that small area which they were governing has been assimilated into the larger state or the nation. Those were called as the national minorities. He is according some of the self-government rights to such national minorities. And for those people who are migrated from other nations into India, he is granting the polyethnic rights, which means the state has to give some special legal as well as the financial protection to such minorities. And this is called as a liberal theory of multiculturalism, because even though there are some rights of the culture, they cannot be overriding the human rights. So for example, the High Court has struck down the triple talaq of the Muslim culture. So however important some cultures hold some rights to be, they cannot suppress the human rights. We can use this Will Kymplika's liberal multiculturalism to resolve the issues of the Manipur as well as the Myanmar.